nukha hazar chini sikla youth ni fun energy of the youth jeng nukha tei ada gonda pore oni chini Bubagra aro hai tongo jeng joto khnakha tei jeng tini amon tini history puilam khana tini birbikon airport Maharaja birbikon airport o jeng tini 3-4,000 borok thumjak tini Bubagra no lamsangna bagoi. It is a sign of unity, sign of strength of our people, and we believe in the coming days, especially for the election 2023, will prove that our unity is a strength. Boni bagai chintini balai khatumjak itu tini siklar of all intellectual, youth, and all the people, not only indigenous people, not only Prasa, every people of the state. Ini Wansang thung, Tibrasang thung, Muslim thung, jotto nung balai khasrangjak, tamthokjak, sing bisas klayo only Bubagra, only Maharaj can rule the state. He can bring development, he can bring peace. Everybody expecting him. Therefore, in spite of short time, we got information that thousands of people have gathered here to welcome him. And as you all know, few days back, he was a little bit illness, he was a little sick, but he's already recovered. Therefore, we welcome him with his good health, and it is proof that the people of Tripura will accept him. Not only the indigenous people, Triprasa, all people are love him, and we believe him that only Maharaj is alone in our state can prove that the unity is the strength, and with unity will prove that coming election is very near, knocking the door. Haijak, boni chori kahamno, kabanga borok sagu, boni chori hamya, sogya, abuya, boni chori kahamno is perfect, everything is perfect. Boni bagoi, sebelum mana kiri, kuna kirana kiri, bo kahamno tongo, patung by Malay Finai, ini big gathering tongo, ini mega gathering of women wing, ini PWF, ini gathering tongo, aru bokok sanai, sengbu thangnai, omokai ini taman sanai omokai ini belai ke tong thomani sa, ini 16 tarik Januari 2023 sepuluh nai, ini beri ubhai na angkana hazar borok bhai tongo, we are expecting 20 to 30,000 women gathering, only women or participate khainai, beri bagi ini sikla rok, just boron Maharaj ini welcome khainai bhaiyo, bolang suma bhaiyo, angka kawo, jeng jotun khatungjak, jeng thulai tonglayo, tei ini bumunto ha borok bhai no. Tuma Wansa, tuma Tiprasa, tuma Muslim, tuma Kristen, tuma Buddha, jotto tini welcome khai tongbono, angka kawo tini ojo rawonung, jotto khai mangga phaikya.